Okay, so when I count to 3, we're going to take position. Take position.
Yes.
Okay, ready? Okay, get rid of your cards. You need all your arms, your legs, everything's got to be free. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, take position.
Take position.
Okay, good. Wait, just a second. We haven't started. We're just taking positions. So we have our cameraman. David's our cameraman. I'm the director. Okay, ready? So we're going to start out with the snake, okay? So, down in the jungle, down in the jungle where nobody sees, there's a snake slithering by the trees. Everyone, let's do the slithering by the trees. Good. Oh, but you know what? I forgot something. I'm the director. What was I supposed to do?
Light, camera, action.
Ah, I forgot. Okay, ready, guys? Lights, camera, action. Okay. Down in the jungle where nobody sees, there's a snake slithering by the trees with the slither here and slither there. That's the way they slither by the tree. Okay, and we say, everyone dance together. Keep filming, David. Let's do the boogie, woogie, oogie, boogie, woogie, oogie, oogie, boogie, woogie, oogie, oogie. That's the way the slithers by the tree. Good job. Okay, cut. Good job, Olivia. Should have done that before. Okay, Bear, are you ready?
Yes, okay.
What are you doing?
I shake.
Shake. Good.
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Lights, camera,
action! Down in the jungle where in the midday heat, there's a bear shaking its
butt.
the shaky and the shaky air. What's the creature shaking its shaking here and there? What is it? It's a
bear.
Go bear, shake. Go shake. Boogie woogie shake. Boogie woogie oogie shake. Boogie woogie oogie. That's the way he's shaking here and there.
Okay.
Cut! Excellent, good job, Ben.
Okay.
Good job. And we'll continue throughout, so you can have more than one student, so they can all be in the animal thing, and we do the Bollywood dance. Okay.
Okay.
Great.
Cool.